Mga kapatid, kagagaling lang natin sa eschatology debate. Tapos oil price hike sa Pilipinas na tag 20 araw-araw. Strike. Ang hirap pumasok sa trabaho, sa school. Tapos dinagdagan pa neto yung problema natin ng HBO. Bagong Harry Potter. Sinong nag-ask nito, ha? Sino nag-ask ng bagong Harry Potter, ha? Legit. Feeling ko, wala namang may gusto. Ito. Basically, kasi, di ba, yung original series, it's like a living legend na eh. No, kapag sinabi mong si Hermione, ayun, si Emma Watson talaga. Tapos si Harry Potter, diba? Si Ron, si Dumbledore. Yun yung papasok na sa isip mo. Si Hagrid, si Snape, si Voldemort. Like, hindi kong nakita dito si Voldemort, pero kasi diba, ano pa lang naman to, Philosopher's Stone. I love Harry Potter. And, sige, react na natin to. Viral na viral to eh. Kaya ko lang nalaman eh. Dahil sa isang post. Sige, tuloy na natin ang panonood ng video. Una-una ko napansin, oh, sobrang dilim. Siguro, kasi umaga, no? Pero yung pagkakashoot, parang yung atmosphere na binibigay niya kagad is not magical eh. It's, ano yan eh, kumari parang lighting ng video ko, pangit, diba? Kasi hindi ako marunong mag-adjust or mag-fix ng anything. Pero isipin nyo, ano ba yung tinatry ibigay na information sa inyo dito? Na parang magiging dark yung story, no? Parang DC. Sige, dami ko kagad sinasabi. Tuloy na nga muna natin ito kaya tayo naabot ng 1 hour video.
Told you.
In the closet scene.
You are a normal boy.
Ano to? May original school?
And you're going to start acting like one. You think you're something special? There is nothing.
Okay. Feeling ko naman okay yung character, no? Ni Madrasta niya. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. But sa movie, I remember na parang siyang Team Rocket. Alam niyo yun? Silang evil. We know na evil sila. Pero nasa kanila din kasi yung comedic relief na deserve nilang deserve nilang ma-experience yung na-experience nila kasi they're like kind of a bad person. And syempre hindi naman na harsh yung nangyayari sa kanila, di ba? Pero alam mo yun, comedic in a way. Mangyayari ba yun dito? From the looks of yung atmosphere pa lang, makaka-experience or i-expect mo na ba yung ganong type ng comedy? Ewan ko kung natatawa kayo dun kasi ako, diba, na-experience ko when watching that like like konting giggle na alam niyo yung tawa ni Kawai? Like I won't tell you all that. I don't know even where you seen that. Parang ganong giggle. Bro, saan nila dadalhin yung story na to? Ano ba? Stepmother.
Special. About you.
I've always wanted to know about my parents.
Ang ang modern na ng trend. Mainam siguro kung ang ginawa na lang nila sequel kaysa sa reimagine. Grabe din. Di talaga nila need gawin to. Harry Potter, hindi talaga. Yung itong bago.
Your parents were the kindest, bravest people I ever met. They were funny and
dito pa lang, ewan ko, parang sa dialogue pa lang, mafe-feel ko na may exposition problem na kagad yun. Sige, sabihin natin, sige, kasama naman kasi dinedescribe yung parents niya. Pero sinabi na kagad lahat. Sige, nga natin. And Hagrid doesn't look like Hagrid. I'm sure na magiging wholesome siya dahil sa voice. And siguro sa type of person talaga na character ni Hagrid. But he doesn't look like Hagrid. Mukha siyang tall man. Like man. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni Hagrid. Hindi mo iisipin na tao si Hagrid eh. O compare mo. Ayun, di ba? Mukha talaga siyang giant. Parang overgrown hair, beard, malaking ilong, malaking tao as a whole. Like, yan. O, di ba? And this one, pogi siya. I mean, sinasabi ko naman pogi din naman to. Pero mas mukha talaga siyang character ni Hagrid. Ayan o. Diba? And kung yun na yung basehan ng mga manonood, like, sino bang target audience nyo? Gusto nyo ba ng bago? Kasi again, living legend na, no? Legend na literature ang Harry Potter at this point in time. Tapos lalagdagan nyo pa naman ganyan. Parang nabubutcher lang. Parang yung Avatar. Sige, gawa natin yan ng videos susunod. Mixed emotions ako, but so far I love it.
Clever. They stood up for what they believed was right. The next time I see you will be in Hogwarts.
Kind of wholesome naman si Hagrid. But that's his character. Whoa. Yo, is that McGonagall? Okay. She fine. Andun yung vibe, the bossy professor expert vibe. Look at this, McGonagall. See? Here's the the new one, and here is the original. See? Okay, I can see the and kung paano siya describe sa book, right? I love it. I love McGonagall here. The casting. She looks good. Okay, may nasabi rin tayong okay and agree dito sa Harry Potter. I hope na maging okay siya gamitin dito. Ayoko kasi tabi sa spoiler, but dun sa last movie, sobrang cool ni McGonagall doon. Parang pinakita niya talaga yung superiority niya in magic. Sorting Hat. Ganto ba talaga kadilim sa Hogwarts? I don't think na ganyan talaga siya kadilim kasi lagi may ilaw doon. Kahit umaga. Sige, sa labas. Inside. Inside Harry. Like I always, ganyan. Umaga yan. Ito, mukha itong straight out of the horror movie. Straight out of the horror movie. Kus umaga yan, ha. Bro, I always remember na ganito yung itsura ng Hogwarts. Hindi ganito, parang ano. Minsan mapaisip ka eh, no? Hindi naman tao, parang cartoons, pero isipin mo, that's, ano yun, live action, gano'n, live action. Mukha tuloy silang straight out of ano. Minsan kasi yung iniisip na kumari sa Avatar, kasi mahirap gawin yung from anime to live action. I mean, One Piece does it. Okay. Pero syempre may limitations. Clearly, okay? Clearly. Pero ito, from live action to live action, then at can you tell straight into my face na mukha silang hindi nagko-costume ng Harry Potter characters? Like, look at Hermione. Man, I mean, she looks beautiful. That's I mean, that's Emma Watson. Pero, bro, yung bata. Huwag tayo dun sa, like, bro. See? Ito sige kasi bata pa sila eh. Good casting sa ages, by the way. Alam mo yung parang kapag tumanda na sila, kasunod nila yung series. Kasi syempre mahirap gawin yun, like budget, pero like look at Hermione here. And look, ewan ko ba?
I think we can expect great things from you.
Is that? Bro, is that Malfoy? Bro! Bros are farming with that stick, huh? Like, you can tell me that's Malfoy? Look, Malfoy. This is Draco Malfoy. Alam mo yung mukhang good boy na menacing. Ito mukha talaga siya. Pogi. Okay, pogi. Pero pogi din naman to. Pero alam mo yung good boy. Menacing. Yung bata lang yung basehan natin na the batang Malfoy. I mean, ito. Para sa akin, it looks good. Pero ito, bata lang. Oh. Ito mukha talaga tong Slytherin. Ito, mukha. Ito yung bata sa Lasal. Lasal na kukunin yung baon mo. Oh no. Nagko-cosplay lang din sila. Mukha na din silang nagko-cosplay, di ba?
Let's see who you are.
Okay. Hermione. Hagrid. Viral to. Kaya ko lang din to nakita dahil sa kanya. It's so viral. Pero sige, pag-usapan natin yan lahat. Bro, what did you do to my all-time favorite Harry Potter character? Okay. Is this supposed to be Dumbledore? Okay. See. Yo, Mr. White. Mr. White. Hey, Mr. White. You can't. Crop natin. Crop natin. Alisin mo yung beard konti. Boom, you got Mr. White. Mr. White. Is that supposed to be Dumbledore? Look at Dumbledore. Isa-isa natin kino-compare mga character. No? Look. Obviously, syempre, ito talaga, when we say wizard, ito siya. Parang inisip mo dito kinuha yung wizard sa Enchanted Kingdom. Okay? So, the very depiction of wizard. To. This one, he's the aura Dumbledore. Umaga yung ugali ng isang supposed to be Dumbledore. You know? In my opinion, in my humble opinion, nakuha niya yung ugali, yung Dumbledore. Like, perfect. Like, Bruce, the depiction of very aura farming. Like, look at that face, bro. Like oozing with power. I mean, like, humble lang. Oh, humble lang. Yun yung this one, mukha lang siya magtuturo. Talaga. Mukha siyang principal. May-ari ng school like that. No hate sa mga characters talaga. Pero, grabe.
Are you really Harry Potter?
Nakita mo, sobrang dilim sa trend. Sorry talaga, mga kapatid. Yung Hogwarts train. Inside. Yung sa movie? Wala ba yung sa movie? I can't show you the exact pero kung right in my mind, hindi naman siya ganito kadilim talaga eh. That's my reaction to. Mind blown. Perfectly mind blown. Meron pa? Sa Christmas pa? No. No, $10. Let's go. Like, so let's talk about him. Severus Snape, the most viral here. This is the Snape we remember. Oops. This one is the Snape we remember. And we got Snape Dog. Snape Dog, grabe. And don't get me wrong mga kapatid, it's not a race or nagiging racist ako, okay? It's not that. Okay, it's not that. You know what? The pale kid, unhealthy kid, the emo teenager, the Snape. What is this? And do you even know how Snape was described in the books? Yan, sulat natin. Tingnan natin. A thin man with sallow skin, with greasy black hair. Okay, okay naman. Okay naman. Naka-dreads nga lang. Naka-dreads. Oh, ayan. Naka-dreads. May nasabi pa doon na para siyang malaking bat. Okay naman. Diba? But exactly what are we trying to do here? I feel like this whole series would be performative. Why you gotta change something like this? Okay, galing sa book, okay, but there's a lot of narrative na magbabago by just with this decision. Marami. Like, di ba binuli ng papa ni Harry si Snape? Imagine. How would that... It's so bad. It's so bad. Imagine, yun yung mangyayari. Hindi kasi natin nakita si the one who must be named, right? Pero, sasabihin niya, Master. Sabihin niya, Master. Ano si Voldemort? White. May laboratory si Snape. Potion teacher siya, di ba? Tapos defense against the dark arts. Oh no. I'm sorry sa makakakita na black person. Like for me, it's just very performative, and the direction, like imposibleng hindi kayo magkaroon ng narrative shift here. And that's what makes Snape's stories powerful. Di ba dun sa Half-Blood Oh no. He calls himself Half-Blood Prince. Kasi yung mama niya wizard or witch, and papa niya ay muggle. So bad. The narrative is so bad. Grabe. Maraming magbabago, di ba? And why you have to do this? Why not just stick sa kung ano yung nasa books, di ba? Kasi it was... Ako lang naman iniisip ko talaga kapag may mga ganitong racial swap with mga characters. It's not that it's already bad agad for me. Yung si Ariel na black, I love that movie. I watched that with someone, okay? And ang ganda, nagustuhan ko. Siguro sa iba hindi hot take ba to, pero nagustuhan ko yun. Hindi naman nasira yung immersion ko kay Ariel na black. But this, parte siya ng big story. Main character. Maraming magbabago talaga by just na mukhang alam mo yun, sa pandinig hindi siya okay. No? And si Hagrid, hindi ba siya immersion breaking sa inyo? Na ito yung naalala mong Hagrid. Ang masasabi ko lang na okay talaga si McGonagall. Like McGonagall looks McGonagall. Here. See, she really looks like McGonagall, and love it. I love it. Her. But the rest, bro. Si Snape. Paano mo ito magagawing maputla? No hate sa actor talaga, but alam niyo yun, parang pagbabasa lang yan ng Biblia, mga kapatid eh. Kung meron kang agenda na gustong i-push, because that's what I think it is eh. Bakit suddenly kailangan may iba't ibang race na kahit hindi naman yun yung original na character. Parang At sino ba nag-set ng ganito, di ba? It's a fictional character. If you want, ganito lang yan mga kapatid. Magsulat kayo ng isang black character ng walang agenda. Tapos, he's a good character and happens to be black. Diba? Yun yung minsan ayoko sa Marvel eh. Yung nagpupush na sila ng women empowerment na message. Masyadong napupush yung agenda na nagsasuffer yung buong plot, yung buong story. And for me, I don't hate women. Pero how do you write a good woman character? By writing a good character. Diba mga kapatid, ganun lang yan kasimple. Who happens to be a woman? A good character who happens to be a black person. Just write those types of characters. It's always not about the race mga kapatid. Isipin nyo si Mulan gawing Pilipino. Ulan na siya, diba? Ulan, hindi na Mulan. Bro, mga kapatid, parang pagbabasa lang yan ng Biblia, di ba? Sabi ko nga, isipin nyo, pag may agenda kayong pinupush, what will happen to your teaching, to your message? Kung yung papasok lang sa isip nyo mga kapatid is yung agenda ko muna. Tapos, saka ko babasahin yung Bible verse. Ito na. Tapos, i-spread ko na. It's not that how it works. Diba? Doon ka muna sa main source. Paano sinabi, paano dinescribe lahat bago mo i-interpret. Get the right context. Tingin nyo ba kinuha yung right context dito? Yung source material, dinescribe siya as tin man. Okay, mukhang tin. Maputla na and I think na describe din na as Snape is a white. So why do this? Okay. You know, good character who happens to be a this one, Tyrion Lannister from the Game of Thrones. For me, one of the best written side characters, Tyrion Lannister. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung pag-progress ng story with him. And ito, 'di ba, minority 'yan. Dwarf, 'di ba? Minority ito. May mga kapansanan na dwarfism mo. It's a minority. But still, good writing, good character, and good actor, Peter Dinklage. I really appreciate. Hindi naman siguro, pero si si Jamie, isa rin sa mga favorite character ko until sinira siya ng last season. Spoiler ba yun? And yes, I watched this types of show. And kung gusto nyo pag-usapan, i-judge nyo na ako why I'm watching these types of show. Okay lang. But if you want, I can make content about this explaining why. Okay? Content na yun. But going back, isipin nyo, gawin nilang matangkad na tao na to si Tyrion Lannister. Normal na tao. Bro, he can't even fight. Yung katawan niya is not built for fighting. Pero ano yung sandata niya? Ganun din. Pag magbabasa tayo ng Biblia, mga kapatid, di ba? Source material. Eto, based on the beloved books. Okay. Papanoorin ko ba to? Ewan ko. Siguro dahil kay McGonagall. Pero may mga exceptions naman, no, sa mga racial swap. But this ain't it. Oh, this ain't it. Snape? this ain't it. Okay? Grabe. Snape lang yung napuruhan. Pero kasi, di ba, like even Harry Potter himself, like, alam niyo, naggumawa talaga sila ng kamukhang-kamukha ni, alam niyo, mukha siyang AI na they're trying to tell you that this is Harry Potter. Yun yung pakiramdam watching this. Kayo mga kapatid, ano bang pakiramdam nyo dito? Panonoorin nyo ba to? Magugustuhan nyo ba to? Ako, di ko alam. Grabe, ang dami-daming problema sa Earth. Ito lang muna sa akin para sa ngayon mga kapatid. Like, comment, subscribe, share nyo na din. Comment down below what are your thoughts. I'm Lance Lin and see you sa susunod.